Hi everyone, welcome to this new Mediterranean recipe. Today we are going to make a Castagnaccio. This is really hard to pronounce, but this is a delicious Italian dessert. This is without sugar. This is really easy to make, and this is quick to make as well. Let's go. We start this nice recipe by turning the oven on about 210 degrees. We are going to roast those pine nuts. That's not an obligation to roast them, but it's better because it develops more flavor. Okay, mix bowl, whisk. You can do this operation with any stand mixer, of course. Chestnut flour. Up, reset, and I'm adding the same amount of water. Maybe you are wondering that I'm making lumps, but actually when you add the same amount of water, you are not making any lumps. Let's check this out. You see, no lumps at all. I'm adding the rest of water, and it works for every flour with any liquid. For example, if you want to make some crepes, then it's the same. And I'm putting the pine nuts into the oven. It will take maybe 5 to 10 minutes. This is really fast to roast. Walnuts. We are going to slice them in big pieces. And if you want more Mediterranean recipes, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Now this is rosemary. Yeah, rosemary into a dessert. And we want to to try to slice them. They are flying directly in the mixing bowl. That's fine to me. We take an orange. And we want to take the zest. And we will slice it in small pieces. We don't want to chop the zest. Yeah, that's enough. I will keep this one for later. We are taking now chestnut honey, and this one is particularly solid. Some chestnut honey are liquid, then it's better to mix in the preparation. Just you have to mix it during 30 seconds at least. I think we're good for the pine nuts. Yeah, they are definitely roasted. And now we add everything that we sliced. For what's left over the rosemary, we will keep it for later and once everything will be cooked. Walnuts. We put half in the mixing bowl and we keep the rest for later. No, it's still hot. Yeah, it's better. And guess what? We put half in the mixing bowl and we keep the rest for later. Raisins, I soaked them in red wine for 30 minutes. Same as other, we keep the rest for later. Of course, olive oil, a little bit of salt, just a little bit. Yeah, even though it's not cooked yet, I taste it. I'm using a cast iron skillet to cook my castagnaccio. I could use a plate that goes into the oven as well, but I prefer to sear on medium heat with a little bit of olive oil. And once the olive oil is liquid, it's ready for the castagnaccio. And you don't want to wait till it smokes. Huh? Here we go. And now this operation will last 5 minutes at the maximum because you don't want to burn the castagnaccio. Yeah, of course the oven is still on 180 degrees. And after 5 minutes, the edges are brown, not roasted, brown, and I can unstick them, which means it's time to go into the oven as well. Okay, into the oven during 20 to 30 minutes. And after this time, the castagnaccio is ready. You see, the castagnaccio looks like dried earth. I take a plate to remove it from the skillet. Yeah, wonderful. Upside down. Yeah, that's why I'm putting the rosemary after the cooking, because it's greener. I do the same with raisins. You see they are redder. It's better to see actually. Pine nuts. Walnuts, I mean. Yeah, pine nuts. It's better to eat the castagnaccio once it's cold or lukewarm, but I'm going to do it even if it's warm, just for the video. Thanks for watching, it was a pleasure. Make sure to hit that subscribe button for more Mediterranean recipes like this one. Don't forget to share, like, and leave a comment below if you have any questions. I'll make sure to reply. Bon appétit, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!